A light magnitude 2.7 earthquake hit 23 kilometers, 14 miles, away from Cuilapa, Departamento de Santa Rosa, Guatemala, in the evening of Monday, August 11, 2025 at 9:25 p.m. local time, GMT-6. The quake had a very shallow depth of 5 kilometers, 3.1 miles, and was not felt, or at least not reported so. First to report, INETER after 3 minutes. Data source from Volcano Discovery. Did you feel it? Let us pray. May the earthquake that occurred not affect our brothers and sisters there. May the earthquake not happen again. And may God protect everyone. Amen.